There are vending machines right here. You can pay by cash or credit card. Now just walk up this beautiful bridge. This park is really big and lots of people here right now, over hundreds. Greetings on Saigon, Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. I'm now at the Vinhomes Central Park, located just like opposite the landmark 81 tallest building in the world. And there are some elderly people playing Tai Chi or Qigong. This is a very big park with many activities like rollerblading, skating, exercising, taking photos. Even I saw people jogging and running. There are some beautiful beaches as well. Let's explore this place. The weather is good now. A slight breeze. You know that there are apartments opposite. It's called also the landmark, but it's landmark 1, P6 and more, and P4, so they can just come down, cross the road and reach here like in 1 minute. And there's also an international hospital nearby. But then it's a bit far from the street food area. I tried to come down before sunset, but unfortunately due to the road congestion, the traffic in Saigon is really terrible 24 hours. So I reached here about 6 p.m. and by then it's already sunset. The sunset time in Saigon, Vietnam is 5:40 p.m. or 40 minutes past 5 p.m. It's really early because in other countries like Singapore, the sunset is like 10 minutes past 7 p.m. So we have extra daytime hours. But if I stay in Vietnam, I feel that my time is cut short. So I try to wake up more early and do more work. You can maybe relax by lying on the grass and watching the skies, and you're lucky you can catch some stars. Alright, I finally arrived at the 2 beautiful buildings. They are actually the viewing points where you climb up the beautiful white staircases up all the way to the top, and then you can just view Saigon from here. There's a Saigon River just right over there. Sometimes you can catch the speedboats if you're lucky, and also a good view of landmark 81 right there, and also surrounding apartments. Alright, it's a bit dark here, but luckily there are some lights. Here I am at the famous koi pond of landmark 81, the Vinhomes Central Park. It's night time, so it's not too clear, but I can see them clearly now. There are even small fishes here. Wow. I've just arrived at the Vinhomes Center, landmark 81. That was a nice exploration of the Vinhomes Central Park. From here, you can actually take Grab or taxi back to the hotel easily because it's just a shopping center.